It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We're conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Roof Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.